students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 8 of exercise 9.1 of chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. Okay, of class 10 CBSE NCERT. So the question number 8 says, a statue 1.6 meters tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 meters, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the pedestrian. So this question is similar to question number 7. There also the scenario was similar, but here the pedestal is given and a statue is standing on the top of the pedestal. Okay, so let us draw the figure. First of all, let us draw the pedestal and the statue. So we are starting with the pedestal. The pedestal, let us say the pedestal is over here. And on the top of this pedestal is the statue, which is 1.6 meters tall. Okay, so let us draw the statue also on the top of it. Let us say this is some statue. So this is pedestal. This is pedestal and this is the statue. The height of the statue is given to us, that is 1.6 meters. Okay, and we are not knowing the height of the pedestal. In the 7th question, the bottom part height was known and this height we need to find out. But in this question, the difference is that the statue height is given to us. Now they are saying from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue. So let us take a point. This is the ground level. Let us take a ground level. Okay, let us take this point on the ground. So this is the point on the ground, and from this point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue. So this is the top of the statue. This is the top of the statue. The angle of elevation. Elevation is always viewed from the bottom towards the top. So top of the statue is 60 degrees. So I have drawn 60 degrees over here. Then it is saying from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. So this is the top of the pedestal, or we can say bottom of the statue. Top of the pedestal, because on the pedestal a statue is placed. Pedestal के ऊपर statue को place किया गया है. Okay, so जो pedestal का top होगा वो statue का bottom होगा. Okay, the top of the pedestal will be equal to the bottom of the statue. Will be equal to the bottom of the statue. Okay, so it is given to us 45 degrees. Okay, so this is 45 degrees. You can write over here, top of the pedestal is equal to bottom of statue. Bottom of statue. Okay, this is one important concept. Okay, now we need to find the height of the pedestal. So let us say this is the height of the pedestal. Let us mark it to be H. We have to mark all the points also. Let us take this point to be P, Q, R and S. Okay, P, Q, R and S. So we also don't know the ground level distance. We also don't know the ground level distance. So we will be taking the ground level distance to be X. Okay. So let us write down the height of the pedestal. Height of pedestal is equals to h is equals to rq. Okay. Height of statue is given to us, that is equal to SR, that is equal to 1.6 meters. Okay, so this all things are given to us. Obviously this angle would be 90 degrees. Okay, so we'll be taking again the two triangles PQR and PQS. From PQR, the hypotenuse is PR, opposite to 90 degrees. This is the hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular, and this is the base. And in the triangle PQS, the opposite side to 90 degrees is PS, which forms our hypotenuse. Then SQ forms our perpendicular, and PQ forms our base. Okay, so let us start the question by taking the triangle PQR. By taking the triangle, so taking triangle PQR, so tan 45 degrees, tan 45 degrees will be equal to 45 degrees is this angle. Okay, that will be equal to perpendicular upon base, or I can say perpendicular is RQ upon base, base is PQ. Okay, so tan 45 degrees will be equal to RQ. We need to find out, it is the height of the pedestal, over here. Okay, so we have already assumed it to be h, so let us write h. And PQ, we have assumed it to be x, the distance of the point on the ground from the pedestal, from the bottom of the pedestal, we have assumed it to be x. So let us mark it to be x. Okay, so 1 is equal to h upon x. So from here we are getting the value of x to be cross multiplying. We will be cross multiplying. We will be getting the value of x to be equal to h. Okay, so let us mark this equation to be 1. Let us mark this equation to be 1. So the ground level we have got, it is equal to h. That means the ground level and the height of the point, the distance of the point on the ground from the pedestal and the height of the pedestal are equal. That means h is equal to x, or x is equal to h. Now taking the triangle, PQS, so in the triangle PQS also we will be doing the same thing. Tan 60 degrees will be equal to perpendicular upon base, which will be equal to perpendicular. Now here the perpendicular will be SQ upon base is PQ. Again we can clearly see SQ is made up of SR plus RQ. Okay, so we can write over here SQ is equal to SR plus RQ. Okay, so SQ will be equal to SR is 1.6 meters, it is given to us according to the question, and RQ is given to us as h. Okay, so in the place of SQ, I can replace it with 1.6 plus h. Now, so tan 60 will be equal to 1.6 plus h, and PQ is x. I have assumed it to be x, but from 1 I can replace that PQ by h, because from 1 I have already got the conclusion that x is equal to h. Now tan 60 will be equal to 1.6 plus h upon h. Okay, so we already know that tan 60, we have already learned about the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. We have already learned about the chart in the previous chapter. So tan 60 is root 3, which will be equal to 1.6 plus h upon h. So this will cross multiply, it will get cross multiplied. So it will be root 3h is equal to 1.6 plus h. This h will go that side because we need to find out the value of h. So it will go with the negative sign. So under root 3h minus h will be equal to 1.6. Now I will be taking the h common. Under root 3 minus 1 will be equal to 1.6. So h will be equal to 1.6 upon under root 3 minus 1. My height of the pedestal is h that I need to find out, but my answer cannot remain in the terms of under root in the denominator. So I need to rationalize it. For rationalizing it, I will be taking the sign opposite to this and I will be multiplying in the numerator and denominator both. So let us start rationalizing it. So it will be under root 3 plus 1 upon under root 3 plus 1. So here the formula is being made a plus b and a minus b, which will be giving me a square minus b square. Okay, so h will be equal to 1.6 under root 3 plus 1 upon under root 3 whole square minus 1 square. So under root 3 whole square will be 3, because under root x into under root x will be equal to x. So under root 3 whole square will be equal to 3. 3 minus 1 will give me 2. 3 minus 1 will give me 2. And when 1.6 divided by 2 will give me 0.8. So my h will be equal to 0.8 under root 3 plus 1. And this is my answer, which is being given at the back of the NCERT book. Okay. You can also further solve it by putting the value of under root 3 to be 1.732. So while putting the value to be 1.732, you will be getting over here 1.732 plus 1. That will give me 2.732. So h will be equal to 0.8 into 2.732. So when multiplied, I'll be getting over here 2.1856. When multiplying, I'll be getting over here 2.1856. That would be equal to 2.2 meters. Okay, in the terms of all the numbers, I will be getting over here my answer to be 2.2 meters. Okay, so this is the answer with the having under root in the numerator. In the denominator, we cannot leave the answer to be in the form of under root. So we need to rationalize it. So we rationalized it over here and we got this value. Now this has to be multiplied. I also solved it. I multiplied it with 2.732. How we got 2.732? I added 1 plus 1.732, which forms 2.732, and I got my answer to be 2.2 meters. That means the height of the pedestal, which we have assumed over here to be h, is equal to 2.2 meters, and on the top of that pedestal we are having a statue that is equal to 1.6 meters, that is equal to the height of 1.6 meters. So the base over here is pedestal, and the height of that pedestal is 2.2 meters. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.